Hi, I'm Nani from Human Design Tools, and I am in the middle of writing a book. And someone asked me, why am I writing a book in the first place? And it came down to three things for me. The first one is intuition, or just this gut knowing that this book needed to come out into the world. I have journals that I have from like many years ago, and I even have the same, like I almost wrote the same thing over and over year after year. But it wasn't till this year that I finally pulled together all the pieces and had a tool that was really valuable to me to help people move through things basically more quickly and easily than I did. I went through the challenges to get there, and human design has really helped. So I felt like once that locked into place, it was time for it to come out there. I also learned, like I said, I had my own challenges, so I learned my own painful lessons, and I didn't want anyone else to have to go through that the same way I did. And I know actually that many of my readers will have gone through some of the pains, because some of the things that I talk about is just conditioning in society that is layered onto women, and then if you're a parent, it's layered on top of that. And so this book is about ways to either bust through that or let go of things that we no longer need, and really get to the truth of who we are. The third reason I wrote this book is because I want women, and in particular moms, to know that they can live life on their own terms, and they do not need to live the way the world tells them. When I became a mom, it sparked a whole new set of conditioning. And it just piles on, because you don't even think about it when you're first a parent, because you're like just trying to help your baby survive and eat and poop and sleep. But then there becomes a point when your youngest child is old enough, and for me it was about age 5, where I started to really feel this urge to reconnect something that was just for me, this purpose that was calling out, and I could feel it from within. And I know a lot of other people my age or friends that I have that feel the same way. And so this book is really about reconnecting or rediscovering things that maybe had gone quiet for a while. So the book is not ready yet. I'm still in the process of it. But in the meantime, if you want to learn more tips or tricks about human design in particular, and how you can live life with more joy and meaning every day, get on my email list. There's a link down below, and you can click on it and join my growing community. Thank you. Bye.